Here's how you can make the spiciest Kulfi in the world. Every time I ate something spicy, Kulfi was always there to save me in the end. And I thought, you know what, since this is our 100th Kulfi flavor, let's see how it stacks up to the most spiciest pepper in the world, the Carolina Reaper. Oh, it smells like death. Oh my god. Okay, I don't even know how I'm supposed to do this. I'm assuming. Okay, I do want to cut it up and then just add it to the milk. I don't want to kill my lungs, so it's time to mask up. I don't need this. This is just for show. It's already inside. Oh. Oh. It's such a nasty taste. I think this may be worse than the actual pepper because this is a lot to eat. At least a pepper, I can quickly chew it and then swallow it. Oh, the spiciness is infused in the milk. No way, I think I'm done. I don't know how I did this before. Oh, I'm eating Kulfi, help me. I can feel it in my throat. Well, there you have it. 100 flavors of Kulfi. I think you guys know where I'm going to put that one on the tier list. Okay, I got a little bit of snot coming out. It's like right in the center of my throat. It's not even in my mouth. I think I'm good right now. I'm going to have some milk. I should have just made ketchup Kulfi.